Look at your life today. You have a better phone than you did 5 years ago. You can access everything in seconds. You have more convenience, more options, more distractions, and yet, you're more stressed, more in debt, more insecure. How is this possible? Aren't we supposed to be making progress? What no one tells you is that we're caught in a silent trap, a trap disguised as comfort, status, success. This isn't just another financial video. This is the mirror no one wants to hold up to you. You've been led to believe you're better, that with every new gadget, every new job promotion, you're moving forward. But they don't tell you that the purchasing power of your money is slowly disappearing. That what you buy today with $100 cost $6,010 years ago. Are you earning more? Maybe so. Are you living better? That's not so certain anymore. Silent inflation can't be seen, but it can be felt. At the supermarket, in your rent, in your evaporating savings. And yet, we all keep running. Chasing promotions. Working overtime. As if with more effort we could get out of the mud. You get up, you work, you get paid, and the money disappears. You pay subscriptions, interest, purchases you don't even remember. You fall short. You use the card, you take out a loan. And you repeat. That cycle isn't a coincidence. It's designed. Banks need you to go into debt. Brands need you to buy. Social media needs you to feel like your life isn't enough. Every limited offer, every installment plan, every pre-approved loan. They're not there to help you. They're there to keep you playing without even realizing it. The problem is not that you work little, you just don't know how the game works. They didn't teach you what compound interest is, what a bank does with your money, or how good debt differs from bad debt. And they didn't do it by mistake. They did it because it's easier to manipulate someone who doesn't know how the system works. Have you noticed that people talk to you more about saving to buy than investing to grow? Why do they teach you to obey money, but not how to use it? The first step isn't earning more. It's understanding more. Start by asking yourself, what habits are making me poor? Do you make impulse purchases? Do you live to show off a life you can't sustain? Are you afraid of talking about money or making radical changes? Re-educating yourself financially is like resetting your mind's operating system. It's not just about budgets and Excel spreadsheets. It's about breaking the emotional dependence you have on consumption. When you stop shopping to feel valuable, you begin to build your true freedom. There are two paths. The first, keep running, increasingly tired, hoping something will change. The second, stop, observe, and learn to play. Learn how to protect yourself from inflation, how to invest even if you earn little, how to detect consumption traps, how to build assets instead of spending liabilities. You don't need to have money to think like someone who has it, but you do need to think differently to stop living like someone who will never have it. You're inside the system. You can't escape the game, but you can learn to play better. It's not about getting rich tomorrow. It's about stopping being poor forever. And that starts with a change in your way of thinking. Subscribe if you want to learn how to play this game from the other side of the board.